Good day students, how are you? I hope you are enjoying our digital classes and also doing your homework in your notebooks. Myself, Mrs. Jamuna Churudia, the teacher of Standard 2nd. Today, I am going to teach you English 2. The topic, lesson number 4, types of sentences. This is a revision. We have already learnt it in the previous video. So, before that, we will recall our previous knowledge, that is, what is a sentence. Now tell me, children, what is a sentence? Yes, a group of words put together to make complete sense is called a sentence. Also, a sentence is complete only when it has a subject plus doing word plus predicate, that is the object. Now we will understand it with the help of an example. Now see, Rima is reading a book. Here, Rima is a subject. His reading is a doing word and book is an object. So, Rima is doing some reading of a book. So, it is a complete sentence. Now, while writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and end with a full stop. See, with examples. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Now, here T is capital as it is the first letter of the sentence and ends with a full stop. See the second sentence. Sanya is good at drawing. Now, Sanya's S is capital as it is the first letter of the sentence and we put a full stop after the end of the sentence and it makes a complete sense. So, it is a sentence. Now, see the third sentence. Holi is the festival of colors. Now, H is capital as it is the first letter of the sentence and we put a full stop after the complete sentence. That is, Holi is the festival of colors. Now I hope you must have understood what is a sentence. Now we will come to our main part, that is different types of sentences. Now there are 4 types of sentences. The first one is assertive sentence. The second one is interrogative sentence. The third one is imperative sentence. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So there are 4 types of sentences. Now we'll learn first the assertive sentence. Now what is an assertive sentence? A sentence which makes a statement or conveys something is called an assertive sentence. That means a sentence which tells or gives information about something or someone is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentences are of 2 types, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Now first we will know what is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is a sentence which says something positive about the subject is called an affirmative sentence. We will see with the help of some examples. The sun is a star. Now it is a positive sentence. It does not have no, not, never in it. So it is a affirmative sentence. The dog is a man's best friend. It is a positive sentence. So it is an affirmative sentence. The sandwich is very tasty. This also is a affirmative sentence as it is a positive sentence. So I hope you must have understood what is affirmative sentence. Now let's go to the negative sentences. Now what are negative sentences? A sentence which says something negative about the subject is called as a negative sentence. Now we will understand it better with the help of some examples. Now see the first example. This flower is not beautiful. Now it is a negative sentence because it tells that this flower is ugly. That is, the flower is not beautiful. Not is a negative word. So it is a negative sentence. See the second sentence. There are no more chocolates left. Now, no is a negative word. So it became a negative sentence. Third is never tell lies. That is, always tell the truth. So never tell lies is a negative sentence because it has never in it. Now we will see that these sentences have no, never or not in them. So these all are negative sentences. Now we'll see how to change a positive sentence into a negative sentence. Now before that we'll learn a small trick. That is, some sentences need opposite words to change it into negative sentence. Now there are some opposite words here. What is the opposite of ripe? Yes, raw. What is the opposite of pretty? Ugly. Opposite of impure is pure. Opposite of remember is forget. So we'll understand it with the help of example. Now see the first sentence. These flowers are pretty. Now this is a positive sentence. Now how will change into a negative sentence? See here. These flowers are not ugly. Means the same thing, that these flowers are pretty. Now we have not changed the meaning and we have put it into a negative form by using not and the opposite of pretty, that is ugly. Now see the second sentence. I shall always remember you. Now it is a positive sentence. Now we'll change it into a negative sentence. I shall never forget you. The meaning is same. I shall always remember you. We have put never in it and opposite of remember. So we have not changed the meaning of the sentence. We must drink pure water. Now tell me children, what is the opposite of pure? Yes, impure. So see the sentence. We must not drink impure water. The meaning is same, that we must drink pure water. And the opposite of pure is impure, and we have put not in it. Now see this sentence. The mongoose killed the baby. Now the negative word is the mongoose did not keep the baby alive. So did not is a negative word and the opposite of killed is alive. So the sentence becomes mongoose did not keep the alive baby alive. That is a negative sentence. Now fifth sentence. The mango is ripe. The negative sentence is the mango is not raw. The meaning is same. The mango is not raw means the mango is ripe. So we have changed it into negative sentence by using not and the opposite of ripe. So I hope you must have understood the concept how to change a positive sentence into negative sentence. Now we will see the second part of the types of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. Now what are interrogative sentence? A sentence which asks a question about the subject is called an interrogative sentence and it ends with a question mark. Now we'll see with the help of some examples. What is your name? Where is your house? When is your birthday? How old are you? Which color you like? So children, all these sentences are starting with a question. What, where, which, who, when, how, etc. And it is ending with a question mark. See this. So these all are interrogative sentences. We'll see how to change a positive sentence into an interrogative sentence. See the first sentence. The potato was cut with a knife. Now we have to change it into an interrogative sentence. How will change? So we'll take the word was and with the help of that was word we'll make it a question. Wasn't the potato cut with a knife? So the answer will be yes, the potato was cut with a knife. So the meaning have not changed and we have made it into an interrogative sentence. Now see the second sentence. I met you at the station. So the sentence changes. Didn't I meet you at the station? It became a question. So it is an interrogative sentence. This is my house. So what is the question asked? Isn't this my house? So sometimes it becomes negative, but we don't have to change the meaning. It becomes a question. And the answer to this question is the same, that this is my house. Now see the first question. Sentence. A crow found a piece of cheese. So the answer is, didn't the crow find a piece of cheese? Now we have made a question. That is, didn't the crow find a piece of cheese? And in the sentence, found will become find in the answer. So I hope you must have also understood this concept of changing a positive or negative sentence into an interrogative sentence. Now we will see the third type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Now what is imperative sentence? A sentence which is an order, a request or a command to the subject is called an imperative sentence. Now we'll see with the help of some example. Please sit down. Now what it is? It is a request. Someone is telling you to please sit down. So it is a request. So it is an imperative sentence. Open the door. This is a order. You order someone to open the door. So it is also an imperative sentence. Get out of the class. It is a command. So the teacher tells you to get out of the class. So it is a command told to you. So it is an imperative sentence. Please lend me a pencil. Now you are requesting someone to lend you a pencil. So it is an imperative sentence. Now we will see the fourth type, that is exclamatory sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence which expresses sudden emotion or feeling like happiness, sorrow, surprise, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence, and it is denoted by exclamatory mark. Now we will understand with the help of some examples. Now see this sentence. What a beautiful dress this is. Now what you are expressing? Your happiness. When you see your father have brought a new dress for you, and this is an exclamatory sentence because we are expressing our happiness and putting an exclamatory mark. Now see the second sentence. I am so sad today. Now something has happened and you are very sad. So you are expressing your sorrow with stating that I am so sad today. So we express it by putting an exclamatory mark. That is exclamatory sentence. Oh, what a big fountain. Now you see a big fountain in a park and you are very surprised to see it because you are seeing it the first time. So you are expressing your feeling by saying, oh, what a big fountain. So we have put an exclamatory mark. Now that is an exclamatory sentence. I hope you must have understood the concept of exclamatory sentence. Now we have understood all the four types of sentence. Just recall it. First one is assertive sentence, that is the statement. Second one is interrogative sentence, that is the question asked, and we put a question mark to it. Third one is imperative sentence. You ask command, request, order. So it is imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. You put an exclamation mark for expressing your sorrow, happiness, surprise. So it is an exclamatory sentence and you put an exclamation mark. So I hope you must have understood these types of sentence very well. So bye till now and don't forget to subscribe.